Welcome to the new mini-series Making a Splash. Episode 1, The Sunburn Saga. Alright, let's dive into the first and most important lesson of pool and beach safety, sunburn. Sunburn is like the universe's way of slapping you on the back and saying, gotcha. It's not just a minor inconvenience, it's a rite of passage. You spend hours slathering on sunscreen, making sure you don't miss a spot, and what happens? You miss a spot, and that one spot, usually somewhere ridiculous like the top of your ears, turns into a fiery beacon of your failure. Here's a tip. Always get a friend to help you with the sunscreen. It's like painting a fence. You can't do a proper job alone unless you've got double jointed elbows. Just don't ask your toddler to do it unless you want a Jackson Pollock on your back. And please use enough sunscreen. Apply it like you're frosting a cake. Remember, it's SPF 50, not SPF 15p. And while you're at it, don't forget the sneaky places like the tops of your feet and your scalp. Otherwise, you'll end up doing the lobster dance for a week, looking even less like those perfectly tanned beach bodies and more like a human strawberry.